Oh, hell no. There's just an abyss that goes down there. Ow. Oh, shit. I think someone's been living here. Street right here. Oh, it's close. Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we got a sick video. We're going to be going to an abandoned farm. I found this spot through one of my subs, so big shout out to you. But before we get in the video, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much as always for showing support on my channel. We're getting closer and closer to 10K, which is unreal. Ever since I was a kid, my dream was to be a YouTuber, so to even be doing it on a small scale is just so awesome. We got some beautiful weather today for November, so I'm going to try to take full advantage of it. But alright guys, I'm going to hop on the bike and let's get into some action. Alright guys, I got some info from one of my subs. He told me there's an abandoned farm right by my house, so I'm gonna go try to check that out right now. OG Hill, guys. My neighbor. I'm pretty sure it's in the middle of this cornfield up here. Why is the speed limit upside down? Little abandoned farm. I'm kind of scared to bring the bike up there if there's a bunch of glass. Oh, there's the actual house right there. What is that? They left tires and everything here. Think she should be good there. Let's go take a look at this. Oh, hell no. There's just an abyss that goes down there. Ow! I keep getting stuck on these thorns. I feel like I actually might fall through the floor at any second. Yeah, they definitely kept all their horses in here. So much trash here. Oh shit. I think someone's been living here. There's a mattress on the floor in there. TV out here. There's a little bunny in here. Damn, this is sick. They still got the Addy on here too. Big shout out to the sub that let me know about that place. If you guys got info on abandoned places or really just like any dirt bike spots at all, let me know in the comments because I'll definitely check them out. I want to go hit the skate pole. Let's hit this little guy right here. It's been so long since we've gone on this. We're cooking. Oh, I'm not waiting in this. That's how you do it. Alright guys, we're gonna make our way over to this big step down that I like to hit. I definitely gotta get a camera so I can start recording in third person. I know you guys want me to make the range test video. I was actually gonna do it today, but my bike wasn't fully charged, so I figured that wouldn't really be fair to do a range test when it was only on like 80%. Alright, here we are at the step down spot. You hit this right here, boot her into this right here. Oh, it's so sunny. It's hard to judge the speed on this thing too. Send this thing again. That was so grease. Skirt! This bike is actually so fast, it's ridiculous. I swear they're building new neighborhoods 24/7 around here. Ah, I got mud all over the phone. Oh no, it's smudging. No. There we go. Wonder if this thing will give me enough pop to jump the street right here. Oh, it's close. Oh God, I almost died. What sucks is today's gonna be like the last warm day that we have for a while. It's like 60 today, but then it drops to the 30s next week. We're on 17%, boys. Hopefully we make it home. I'm so parched. I'm gonna grab a drink real quick. Gotta do the purple. Yeah, just the drink. Could I use Apple Pay?
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you.
You got like a YouTube channel or something?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I just make like dirt bike videos.
Oh, sick.
Yeah.
You mind if I check you out?
Yeah, of course, dude.
What's your YouTube name?
It's DylanDoes 490 with no spaces.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Damn, dude, 7,000.
Close to it, yeah. I'm trying to hit 10K this year.
There you go.
Yeah, I appreciate all the love though.
Closer. Have
Yeah,
a good night.
thank you, man. Yeah, you too.
Take care. Stay safe out there.
Will do. Have a good day at work.
Appreciate you.
Oh boy, 9%. Too close for comfort.